Alright, so got my tater gun and I'm gonna load it up. I already got the tater loaded. I got some air in the chamber already. We're only at 70. Okay, I am now at 120 psi. Got my tater loaded up and I'm gonna shoot at that black barrel again. Hopefully it doesn't shoot up again like it did and I can make an indent. Okay, so potato gun, 120 psi. Here we go. I shot it a little low. Oh well. And I'll go and show you.
What was that?
I'm going to go show you the dents that we have left on these 55-gallon barrels.
Which one did they just shoot?
Now, these ones here were done with 90 psi on an older one. That was done with 90 and then 120 psi. And then that one right there was just done, as you saw, at 120 psi. And I don't know if you could tell, there's a piece of tater right there. I mean, it's good hash brown size. Anyway, I'm happy. Have a nice day.